Hey guys, Lone Star Breaks here. Today we will be opening another box of 2014 Topps Supreme. There we go. As you can see, I already took off the plastic because I was going to open this personally, but hey, why not put this on YouTube? Let everybody else see it. Yeah, 2 autos per box. Yeah, basically, pretty much. Yeah, same. Well, I guess nothing there. I guess I'll just slide it out. It's back here. Nice. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay, my first card is... oh, that's the back. Ooh, Melky Cabrera. 6 of 20. Let's focus that. Melky Cabrera, die cut, 6 of 20. Nice auto. Come on, let's focus. Alright, it's 6 of 20. Melky Cabrera, nice die cut. I've never gotten one of these before. Nice. You can sort of see that. Let's put that there. And we got a 49 of 50 Matt Adams, Simply Supreme. There we go. Matt Adams, 49 of 50. CPI looks like. First base. Nice. I don't know if that is on card or not. So a little review, we got Melky Cabrera, 6 out of 20. Supreme Styling die cut. Right there. That's a nice little card. Nice. And we got a 49 of 50 Matt Adams, Simply Supreme CPO looks like. Well, that's it for this video. I'll probably open some more boxes sooner or later. Alright, bye.